Hey, what's up? So today I have something very special for you. And this is like one of my favorite things to do. And it's the cauliflower bake, or what people call cauliflower mac and cheese. But that's another story. I am going to show you this recipe that I just recently found that is absolutely delicious. So right now I'm on this keto diet. And I'm not able to have pasta, which I love pasta, and I love a good mac and cheese. And I think pretty much speak for everybody, there's nothing like a good mac and cheese. But I can't have mac and cheese, so I gotta have the next best thing to it. Now, I was a little weary about it because people calling it cauliflower mac and cheese, and there's no way cauliflower can replace mac and cheese. But boy, was I wrong about it. And I'm pretty sure you're watching this video, you're thinking to yourself, yeah, you're wrong about it too, but I want you to try it. I just want you to try it and see for yourself. Because if this doesn't satisfy your mac and cheese fix, I don't know what else will. So let's get to it. Come on. Okay, what we are going to do, we're going to prep our cauliflower. And by prepping our cauliflower, we are going to place it firmly against our cutting board. And we're going to run our knife around the stem, removing all of the florets. And we want to make sure we get deep down in there just to remove all the florets. And next, we are going to cut these florets into halves or into quarters if they are too large. Remember, we want these nice bite-sized pieces, just as seen in this bowl here. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to steam our cauliflower. Now, I like steaming instead of boiling. You get a lot less waterlogging in your cauliflower and much better texture when you steam. I'm using the bamboo steamer. You're definitely welcome to use whatever steamer you have to steam your cauliflower. I'm going to steam these for about a total of 5 minutes. And while these are steaming, we are going to move to our next step. And our next step is shredding our cheese. And what I have here are some Mozzarella Pearls. I have some smoked cheddar. And I have some Colby Jack. Now we're going to shred all of this because we are going to use all of this. And we're going to shred our cheese and get it ready for the next step. And the next step is melting our butter. We want 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot. And I brown my butter just to get a nice nutty taste in my casserole. So you're welcome to do that as well. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream. And we're going to mix and incorporate that until fully incorporated. Then we're going to season this with a little salt, a little fresh cracked black pepper, and we are going to continue to mix this as well. Now for our cheese. Oh yeah. Like there's nothing like cheese, right? So we're going to mix this into our liquid. And we are going to mix and incorporate this until fully incorporated. Now we're going to add a few ingredients. A little garlic powder. Some smoked paprika. And we are going to continue to mix this until that is fully incorporated. Now for our mozzarella pearls. We're going to add about half of the mozzarella pearls. And we are going to stir this until this is fully incorporated. Now I will have these ingredients in the description box. We're going to add some sour cream to this, and we are going to mix this until fully incorporated as well. And then I have some xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is what's going to help thicken this. If you can't use xanthan gum, you're definitely welcome to use an egg or a little bit of flour. Now, after our cauliflower is all steamed, we are going to remove it and get it ready for our next phase. And our next phase is we are going to put this in our pot with our cheese sauce. And we are going to mix this till every single floret is coated with cheese. Then we're going to add more cheese. Yeah, you heard me, more cheese. And now we are going to transfer this to our cast iron skillet. Oh, that was luscious. And then we are going to take a spatula and we are going to flatten this out even. And yep, you guessed it. We are going to top it with more cheese. We're going to use the remainder of our cheese and we're going to top this with it. Also, don't forget those mozzarella pearls because these are going to create some nice little bubbly treats once it goes into the oven. And we are going to place this in a 350-degree oven on the middle rack for about 20 minutes. And when it comes out, it should be nice and bubbling. And then we're going to top this with the duct tape of food, some nice smoked bacon. Oh yeah, bacon makes everything taste better. You can also add some parsley, which I did, and we're going to plate this up and oh my goodness, that looks delectable. So let's pull up a chair. And so now that you know how to make this cauliflower bake, look, I want you to try this with your friends. Try it with your loved ones. Like I said, it doesn't replace mac and cheese. Nothing can replace mac and cheese, but I guarantee you they are going to love it just as much as they love mac and cheese. Trust me, I should know. I've tried it and I love it just as much as I love mac and cheese. So if you like this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so it'll notify you of every time a new video is posted. And until then, I'll see you later. Peace out.